SOFI update here on the 4th. So going into Friday, we had some good news yesterday for the markets. The port strike ended. Nice move up. The index is up almost 1%. SOFI up 6%. Let's look at IWM. IWM up 1.44%. So very nice. So what looks like the most logical move here, though? To me, it looks like this is probably a B wave. So still did not fill this gap here at 750. Zoom out here. There's a small gap right here. See right there. There's a small gap. And this right here looks to me like A, B, and C like that. Let's look at the standard deviation. It's getting to the top of the range. Could it go higher? Yeah, I think that it can come up here to 844. I don't think it's going to get above 850. And then I would be looking for just a move down to like, let's just take a look at this. Maybe down here, maybe by the 10th, maybe by Robotaxi. Robotaxi is down here around 750. And then honestly, after that, I think we rise. So I think this is a fake out right here. And I've gone over this before. It looks like a rising wedge to me. So I'm going to stick with that. So we have A, B, C, D, E, like that. So I don't know. Earnings are at the end of October. So I would imagine if this is a top right here, we have it at 850. The other top was at 803. We're probably going to $9. I think we're going to go to $9. And it could be into earnings. I would say it's probably going to be into earnings. And I know people are going to say, well, if we have good earnings, we should go up. Yeah, I mean, I agree with you 100%. It's just the chart. We're into daily supply here. There's daily supply here. This pattern is actually bearish overall. And so I don't know what's going to happen after the election, but it seems like they want to keep the market up until the election's over with. And that's exactly what's been going on. And so I would be pretty cautious after the election. We're completely getting rid of seasonality. Like September, no sell-off. October, really no sell-off. If we run all the way into end of October into the election could be sell the news, and it won't matter if we have good earnings or not. So this is the current pattern that I see on the chart. I don't see this as like an impulse move or anything like that. So I think we could hit 750 and then run up here to 9 to 950. But you can see here it's getting kind of narrow the higher we go. So that's a quick update on SOFI. The only other thing I'll say is that I still believe that this is in a D wave and it's going to come down here. I know people don't like to hear that, but that's just what I see from the pattern on the chart. Obviously, fundamental-wise, SOFI is great overall. Everything looks good. Everything's getting better quarter after quarter. It's just that they're accumulating and they just keep on bringing it down over the past year ever since this breakout, and I don't think it's finished yet. So that's my thoughts on SOFI. I think you're probably going to get a move down next week, and then that should be the last move down and then run into earnings. So that's it for me for now. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates. You can join membership. It's in the description if you want to support the channel. For some reason, the join button does not show up on mobile, only on desktop. So hit the link in the description if you want to do that. Thanks for the support. Talk to you soon.